Welcome to our channel. We are excited to dive into Jane Austen's classic novel, Pride and Prejudice. If you are joining us, we highly recommend checking out our previous video, which covered chapters 17 and 18. This video will pick up where we left off and continue our journey through the story. So watch the previous video to get the full context and follow along as we explore Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy's captivating tale of love and misunderstandings. Get ready to immerse yourself in the world of 19th century England and the social complexities of high society. Let us get started. You are listening to Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. In Chapter 19 of Pride and Prejudice, Elizabeth travels to London to visit her aunt and uncle Gardiner. While there, she learns that her youngest sister Lydia has eloped with Mr. Wickham. This news is a source of great distress for Elizabeth and the Bennet family, as it not only brings shame to their name but also threatens their prospects for marriage and financial stability. Despite her initial reluctance, Elizabeth agrees to visit Mr. Darcy while in London. During her visit, she is impressed by his kindness and hospitality, which helps soften her negative view of him. This encounter with Mr. Darcy highlights Elizabeth's growing realization that people are not always as they appear and that there may be more to Mr. Darcy's character than she had previously thought. The chapter highlights the social pressure and expectations placed on women in Regency England, as Elizabeth and the Bennet family must navigate the consequences of Lydia's impulsive and scandalous behavior. It also explores the themes of reputation, societal expectations, and the importance of personal integrity and character. Through Elizabeth's experiences in London, the reader understands her personal growth and the challenges she faces in her relationships and society. In Chapter 20, the Gardiners arrive at Longbourn to visit the Bennet family. Mrs. Gardiner is especially concerned about Elizabeth's well-being, as she knows the stress and embarrassment caused by Lydia's elopement. However, the Gardiners also bring news that Mr. Darcy has been instrumental in helping to locate and secure Lydia and Mr. Wickham's marriage, which has helped to mitigate the damage to the Bennet family's reputation. Elizabeth and the Gardiners take a trip to visit Pemberley, Mr. Darcy's estate. Elizabeth's visit to Pemberley softens her negative view of Mr. Darcy and highlights the contrast between his reserved and often aloof demeanor and his steadfast generosity and kindness. The chapter further explores the theme of personal growth and development as Elizabeth begins to see Mr. Darcy in a new light and begins to understand the complexities of his character. It also highlights the importance of family and the support found within a close-knit community, as the Gardiners provide comfort and support to Elizabeth during a difficult time. We hope you enjoyed this summary of chapters 19 and 20 of Pride and Prejudice. There is still so much more to come, with plenty of twists and turns in this timeless classic. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for immediate updates as we take you through each chapter of this beloved novel. Furthermore, if you still need to read the book, do not worry. You can quickly get a copy by clicking the link in the description below. Get ready to fall in love with the world of Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy all over again, and we cannot wait to see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.